Hello everyone, welcome to Pro Learner YouTube channel. I am Ahmed Sandhu. In this tutorial, you will learn how to install and run React.js project in VS Code, which is Visual Studio Code. Okay, so first of all, you will open your Chrome browser. After that, you will go to nodejs.org website. So you need to install Node.js on your local machine. After visiting the website, you need to install LTS version of Node.js, which is recommended by the Node.js for most of the users. I already installed Node.js on my machine. After that, I will go to my terminal and here I will write a command to check Node.js installed successfully or not on my machine. The command is node-v. So this command show me the version number of Node.js which is installed on my machine. After that, the Node.js also comes with another thing which is npm, the Node Package Manager, which is also useful and main thing for the React.js development. Okay, so you need to check that as well, the npm installed or not after installing the node. To check the npm version, you need to write the command npm-v. Okay, here you see the npm version on my machine. After that, you will go to Visual Studio Code website and install Visual Studio Code on your machine if you have not till now. Okay, so click on the download for Windows or Mac, whatever you have. I already installed VS Code as well. So now I open VS Code and after that I will open the folder in which I want to install React.js project. So I open the folder here. Okay, okay, the folder name is like, for example, YouTube. After opening the folder, I will go to terminal in VS Code. Here you see the terminal and click on the new terminal. And to install React.js in Visual Studio Code, the command is npx create react app. And after that, you need to write your project name, whatever you want to give name to your project. Okay, so I will write the command here to install React.js project. Okay, now I will give the name of project. So for example, the project name is React VS project. Now I hit the enter button and now I will wait for about 3 to 5 minutes because this command takes so much time. So that's why I will wait for about 3 to 5 minutes. Okay, now I successfully installed React.js project in VS Code on my local machine, and after that I will go to that project folder and start and run that project on localhost. So first of all, we will go to that folder by using change cd command, and after that the project name, which is React VS project, and after that I will write a command to run it on localhost on my browser. Okay. The command is npm start, and now I will wait for about 5 to 10 seconds to run it properly and successfully. Now my project React.js project runs successfully on localhost, and now I will open my Chrome browser, and here you see on the localhost 3000 my React.js project runs successfully, and in VS Code I installed React.js project. Here you see the React.js Vite project, okay, which we installed by create react app command. So that's it. This is all you need to know about how to install and run React.js project in VS Code by using create react app command. I hope you like the video. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.